Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Family Share in Settings. Tap the Family or Shared group and choose Add Member. Once done, invite people by email or device ID so they receive a prompt. Make sure the organizer has a valid payment method and two-factor authentication enabled. This prevents holdups when sharing subscriptions. You do not need to configure every device yet, but start the invite flow now so everyone receives an invitation and you can proceed to acceptances. Once invitations are sent, each person accepts on their device. You should guide them to tap Accept and sign in. After acceptance, assign roles, organizer, parent or guardian or member, so permissions match responsibilities. Then enable specific sharing options, purchases, subscriptions, storage, and location. You should double-check purchase sharing and shared storage settings because those control billing and access. If you want parental controls, set them now so restrictions apply immediately to child accounts. To finish, review the family dashboard and confirm that subscriptions and storage reflect shared access. You want to see active status for each service. Then test location sharing and parental controls on one device to validate settings. If something fails, sign out and back in, resend the invite, or review the organizer payment and two-factor authentication. These are common blockers. If a specific app still won't share, toggle its permission off and on. Then restart the device. That usually resolves lingering sync problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.